We're expected to be part of the always-on connected world. But wireless technologies have a mind of their own. And cellular connectivity diminishes or can even disappear when we move indoors. More than 70% of all cellular calls are made from inside, So how can we stay connected at home or in the office when building materials or other hidden barriers stand in the way of a strong signal? Meet the Cel-Fi product line, the smartest and most powerful cellular coverage solutions in their class. Cel-Fi Quattro for enterprise, Cel-Fi Go X stationary for industrial and M2M, Cel-Fi Pro, Duo, and Duo Plus for home and small office, Cel-Fi Go M mobile for vehicles, trucks, RVs, and boats. Cel-Fi solves the problems of physics by bringing coverage to places where signal is blocked. Ease of installation and setup are core values, along with delivering the highest decibel gain in the industry. Cel-Fi can also be configured across multiple floors, buildings, and campuses to create large footprints of intelligent coverage. Whether in building or on the go, Cel-Fi has you covered. It boosts your signal so that you can experience crystal clear, reliable voice connections and lightning-fast data rates on 3G, 4G, and LTE networks. Cel-Fi, smart cellular coverage.